In this video, we are going to see about libraries in Windows OS. Library is the unique feature of Windows OS. This feature is not available in all other OS like Linux and Mac. First of all, I go to File Explorer. In the File Explorer window, I click this left arrow icon. You can see the drop down list. I select libraries. These are default libraries of Windows OS: camera roll, documents, music, pictures, saved pictures, etc. The library is the organized file structure. We can easily organize the files and folders that is originally located in various directories. For the example, I open Documents library. In this Documents library, two folders exist already. The first Documents is originally located in C drive, inside of Users folder, inside of Intact folder. And another Documents folder is existed in C drive, Users folder, inside of Intact folder, inside of OneDrive folder. These are two different folders organized by this Documents library. Now I go to one step backward. I select Documents library. In the ribbon tab, you can see Manage menu option, and I select Library Tools, and you can see Manage Library option in this menu. Click on it. You can see the two folders already existed in this library. Now I want to add one more folder into this library. So I click Add button and I go to Downloads. Now I want to select the Downloads folder. Click Include Folder option. You can see Downloads folder is included in this library. Now I click OK. Now I go to Set Save Location option. You can see three folders inside of this library. Now I set public save location is Downloads. One more time, I go to Manage Library option. You can see public save location is now Downloads. I can create my own library. Right click here, select New and select Library. I name it My Library. A new library is created. Now I select this library and go to Manage Library option. There is no folder included here. Now I click Add button. I go to this PC and I go to D drive, My Files and Documents. I select Include folder and I click again Add button and I go to My Files option and click YT Company. I go to Administrator and I click Transaction and click Include folder and I click on Add button again. Go to this PC, D drive, again go to My Files, go to YT Company and I go to Send Items, Emails, Include folder and I click OK. Now the changes are applied. Now I double click on it. You can see three folders inside of this library. These folders originally located in various directories. Now I go to Set Save Location and I select Set Public Save Location is Documents. Once again I go back Libraries, select My Library option and click Manage Library button. You can see Documents is the default save location. Thank you for watching. Thank you. I will meet you in the next lesson.